Hello, my name is Pranav and today's topic is how do I install Internet Explorer in your PC. Type Google and type offline installer IE. Select your favorite Internet Explorer browser. Uh, I select IE 10. Click on the first link. Just select your language, English. Select your operating system and its select the operating system. Okay, how to find your operating system is 32-bit or 62-bit. Just click on Windows, click on my computer, right click on my computer and click on property. Here just check system type 64-bit operating system and Windows 7 Ultimate. Go to the browser, Windows 7 Service Pack 1 64-bit, select and click on download. Save file. Right click, open containing folder, click double click on file and click on yes. Actually, I'm already installed Internet Explorer in my PC. Just double click on your installer file. Okay, just double click on installer file and follow the procedure. After some time your IE will be installed and after the restart your setting will be work. Thank you for watching this video.